My video guide will provide you with help to remove the online scam related to the site Antivirus Clean personaloffernow.com. If you ever see these pop-ups, you need to understand and realize that they are totally fake and dangerous. You should not interact with these deceptive pop-ups. Such pop-ups, by the way, try to make you pretty scared regarding the condition of your computer in order to force you into downloading and installing certain potentially unwanted applications. Do not tolerate these pop-ups, they are fake. Just leave this deceptive page. I also recommend you to research your computer with the help of reliable security software, and I recommend you to scan it with Combo Cleaner. You may get it on the page combocleaner.com. By the way, the software is available for the majority of popular operating systems. You may select your preferred version, use the green download button, install it, and once it gets successfully installed, start researching your computer with its help. After you start Combo Cleaner Antivirus for the first time, the application will be initially in the trial mode, even though certain features of Combo Cleaner are absolutely free to use. For example, disk cleaner, big files, and duplicates. The application will first of all update its anti-malware database, and after it is successfully updated, click on Start Combo Scan button. Combo Cleaner Antivirus will then begin scanning, researching, and investigating your computer. There are some other features that require premium license. They are antivirus, privacy scanner, and uninstaller feature. The scanning duration depends on various factors, of course. It may depend on how infected the computer is. It may depend on how many hard drives are being scanned at the same time, and it may depend on some other factors too, of course. So take your time, wait until the scanning by Combo Cleaner has been successfully accomplished. Also, if you choose to upgrade to premium, you can request a limited functionality trial activation key. But definitely, premium license is a much better solution to keep your system always protected from further adware or malware attacks. So at the end of the scan, you'll see the summary of the threats. You'll be able to know their locations. Consider premium license, and this way your system will always be protected from further virus attacks.